Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML CSS tutorial for beginners to advanced. And right now, we'll be discussing about CSS height, CSS width, and also we'll be discussing about the CSS max width property. Once again, we'll be discussing about CSS height property, CSS width property, and also we'll be checking our CSS max width property. The CSS height property and the width property, these two properties are used to set the height and width of an element. The CSS max width property is used to set the maximum width of an element. Once again, the CSS height and width properties are used to set the height and width of an element, and also the CSS max width property is used to set the maximum width of an element. So in our next tutorial, we are going to be exploring this in deep details. I don't want this tutorial to get too long. Anwar, akorede is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.